We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the HOTO mini bike tire pump, a portable electric air pump designed for cyclists, motorcyclists, and anyone who values convenience and efficiency in tire inflation. If you own this pump, please leave a review in the comments to help other users make an informed decision. Your feedback is invaluable to the community. The HOTO mini bike tire pump stands out for its compact form factor, impressive power, and user-friendly features. Measuring just 3.66 by 2.28 by 1.5 inches and weighing only 0.56 pounds, this pump is pocket-sized yet built to deliver a maximum pressure of 150 psi. It is suitable for a wide range of applications, including road bikes, mountain bikes, motorcycles, and even car tires. The pump comes equipped with both Presta and Schrader valve compatibility and includes a Presta valve adapter as a separate accessory. Users are advised to connect the Presta air nozzle adapter to the tire first when inflating road bike tires, a detail that ensures correct operation and avoids confusion during use. One of the most praised aspects of the HOTO mini bike tire pump is its speed. According to user experiences, it can inflate a 700x23C road bike tire from 80 to 100 psi in just 25 seconds, and a completely flat tire from 0 to 80 psi in about 60 seconds. This rapid inflation is made possible by its high-capacity 2000 mAh lithium battery and a brushless motor, which together provide not only speed but also reliability. The battery life is another highlight, as users have reported inflating multiple tires, such as two 700C road bike tires at 110 psi and two 29-inch mountain bike tires at 30 psi, while still retaining 3 out of 4 battery bars. This level of endurance means the pump can be relied upon for several inflations before needing a recharge, making it ideal for longer rides or group cycling events where you may need to assist others. Portability is a key selling point for the HOTO mini bike tire pump. Its lightweight and compact design allow it to fit easily into a jersey pocket, saddlebag, or backpack. Many users have commented on how the pump's small size does not compromise its performance, with some expressing initial skepticism that was quickly dispelled after seeing the pump inflate even large tires, such as those on fat bikes, SUVs, and trucks. The pump's ability to handle a wide range of tire sizes and pressures adds to its versatility, making it a practical tool for cyclists, motorcyclists, and car owners alike. The user interface and operation of the pump are designed with convenience in mind. The pump features an intuitive flick-to-start design, which simplifies the setup process. The 360-degree rotation hose ensures that attaching the pump to various valve types is straightforward, eliminating awkward angles and making installation hassle-free. The built-in LED digital pressure gauge displays real-time tire pressure with a precision of plus or minus 1 psi, allowing users to monitor inflation accurately. The pump also includes a smart chip and high-precision pressure sensor, which enable it to automatically shut off when the desired pressure is reached. This auto shut-off function is frequently cited as a major advantage, as it prevents overinflation and ensures consistent results every time. Another thoughtful feature is the memory function, which remembers the last 2 pressure settings used. This is particularly useful for cyclists who regularly inflate tires to the same pressures, as it saves time and reduces the risk of input errors. The pump's preset air pressure settings are reported to be accurate and reliable, contributing to a positive user experience. In terms of build quality, the HOTO mini bike tire pump receives high marks. Users describe it as well-made and robust, with quality materials and precise engineering. The inclusion of multiple adapters, such as the American Air Valve, Presta Valve Adapter, Needle Valve Adapter, and Quick Connection Valve Adapter, ensures compatibility with a variety of inflatables, from sports balls to car tires. The Type-C charging cable and soft rubber band included in the box add further value and convenience. Despite its many strengths, the HOTO mini bike tire pump is not without its drawbacks. Some users have noted that the on-off switch, which is operated by turning the hose, can feel a bit awkward or wonky. While not a deal breaker, this aspect of the design may take some getting used to. Additionally, the pump can be a bit noisy during operation, though most users report that the noise level is not excessive and is a reasonable trade-off for the pump's power and speed. Another minor issue mentioned by users is the automatic shutoff feature when inflating to target pressures. If the tire is already close to the desired pressure, the pump may stop prematurely. To address this, users sometimes set a slightly higher target pressure and stop the pump manually, or deflate the tire slightly before inflating. While this workaround is not ideal, it does not significantly detract from the overall functionality of the pump. The Presta valve adapter, while functional, is made of plastic, which has raised some concerns about long-term durability. However, most users report that it works well and has not caused any issues during normal use. The pump also tends to get warm during extended use, but it does not become uncomfortably hot, and this has not been reported as a safety concern. The HOTO mini bike tire pump is often recommended as a primary pump for travel thanks to its small size and versatility. It is particularly well suited for cyclists who participate in group rides, as it can be used to assist others with flat tires quickly and efficiently. However, some users find it a bit bulky for carrying during road bike rides where every gram counts, suggesting that it may not be the best choice for those who prioritize ultra-lightweight gear. For most users, though, the pump strikes an excellent balance between portability and performance. The value for money offered by the HOTO mini bike tire pump is frequently highlighted in user reviews. With a customer rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars and a strong sales rank in both the sports and outdoors category, and among bike floor pumps, the pump has established itself as a reliable and popular choice. The combination of speed, power, portability, and intelligent features makes it a standout product in its category. In summary, the HOTO mini bike tire pump is a compact, powerful, and versatile tool that meets the needs of cyclists, motorcyclists, and car owners alike. Its rapid inflation, long battery life, and accurate pressure control make it an excellent choice for those who value convenience and reliability. While there are some minor drawbacks, such as the design of the on-off switch and the occasional need to adjust target pressures, these are outweighed by the pump's many strengths. The pump's robust build quality, thoughtful features, and strong user feedback make it a product that can be recommended with confidence. If you are looking for a mini electric air pump that combines portability with performance, the HOTO mini bike tire pump is a compelling option. Its ability to handle a variety of tire sizes and pressures, along with its user-friendly design and reliable operation, make it a valuable addition to any cyclist toolkit. Whether you are preparing for a long ride, traveling, or simply want a dependable pump for emergencies, this product delivers on its promises. Remember, if you own this pump, please share your experience in the comments below to help other users make informed decisions. For more information and to support the channel, use the link in the description to check out the HOTO mini bike tire pump.